In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons on Acuity scheduling, a process that will transform your booking experience by allowing you to offer additional services to your clients seamlessly. Whether you're a professional looking to offer extra sessions or a business wanting to upsell products during the booking process, understanding how to implement add-ons can significantly enhance your service offering and provide more value to your clients. Let's get started on this journey to optimizing your Acuity scheduling setup. First, you must navigate to the Acuity scheduling homepage. Once there, the next action is to click on the login button prominently displayed, typically at the top right corner of the page. This action leads you to the initial stage of accessing your Acuity account. After you've clicked on login, it's time to identify yourself to the platform. Do this by typing in your email address in the field provided. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login discrepancies. Moving forward, you'll notice a button labeled Next. Clicking on this will advance you to the next stage of the login process. Acuity ensures the security and privacy of your account through this step-by-step process, guiding you safely to your dashboard. For users who have integrated their Google account with Acuity, the next step involves clicking on Continue with Google. This option provides a streamlined login experience, leveraging Google's secure authentication services. Upon choosing to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. This is the account you've previously linked with your Acuity scheduling system. By doing so, you're essentially giving Acuity the nod to use your Google credentials for a seamless login process. Once you're successfully logged in, our next destination is the calendar page on Acuity. Here you're greeted with a visual representation of your schedule, filled with different appointments, classes, or services you offer. Look for an appointment that would benefit from an add-on. After finding the appropriate appointment, clicking on it will reveal more details. Here, you can visualize specific aspects of the appointment, from the time and duration to any notes or special instructions associated with it. Your next move involves hitting the Edit button. This action unlocks the possibility of adjusting various parameters of the appointment. Think of this part as entering a workshop where you can fine-tune the details of your service offering. Navigating now to the appointment type, you're at the crux of adding your desired add-on. Within this section, search for a checkbox that represents the add-on option available for this particular service. This is where Acuity's flexibility shines, allowing you to customize services down to the finest detail. It's worth noting, as marked by the insightful hint displayed, that not all services will have an add-on option available. This variability means you have the freedom to select which services can be enhanced with additional offers, providing a tailored booking experience for your clients. After making your selections and customizing according to your preferences, the final piece of the puzzle is to click on Save. This crucial step ensures all your adjustments are stored and applied, making the add-on officially part of the appointment offering. The Save button stands as the guardian of your preferences, safeguarding them until you decide to make further changes. In wrapping up our tutorial today, it's essential to reflect on the importance of personalizing your booking options. The ability to add on services or products enriches the client experience, providing them with unique value that distinguishes your offerings from competitors. Acuity Scheduling's add-on feature serves as a bridge, connecting your core services with supplementary options that heighten satisfaction and engagement. Remember, taking the time to familiarize yourself with these steps and revisiting them as needed can help streamline your scheduling process, making it more efficient, user-friendly, and ultimately more valuable to both you and your clients. That's a wrap on how to add add-ons on Acuity scheduling. I hope this guide has illuminated the process and inspired you to explore the endless possibilities this feature presents. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on ways to enhance your business operations. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.